Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will register on Power BI account. So now we have to search for Power BI. Now click here. Now you have to enter your professional email ID or educational email ID. If you have any, use them here and create an account. First, let's get you started. Second, create your account. And last one is confirmation details. Now you have successfully created that. Here you can start working on it. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.